When I got out of the service, I was now 23, so I started going out looking for jobs. I went to Walt Disney to get a job. And I said, what will be the pay? It'll be $56 a week. And I walked out. I tried to get back into TV in Boston, and I teamed up with a lovely girl named Judy Valentine.
It was 1 hour. We had no script. We just did it, just the three of us.
They had doubled the Nielsen rating of the show we were replacing, so it seemed like they'd want to pick it up, but they didn't.
Well, it didn't happen, except that they moved us to the Bozo show, but we were lucky because we stayed together.
We're talking in the 60s, a low-budget show. We didn't have a script. We'd all get together at a production meeting in the morning. Okay, what are we going to do today?
It was so much fun playing many different characters on the show.
He just has a knack of creating characters and making them come alive.
Muppet Kid Juicy Pie.
Hey, how about saying so long, boys and girls? Satuke!
He just is very creative. He's a wonderful artist. He created the animation for the actual Bozo show.
Hey, Butch! What's up, Bozo?
I know he felt he had more to offer.
This is just like Shakespeare, so...
He was just too talented to be so stuck.
White and blue, waving back at me and you, marching.
I loved working with Frank Grouch on the Bozo show, but I didn't feel it was particularly important. It was mind candy. I wanted to do something more important with puppets, so I decided to go to a puppet festival. And it was a case of being in the right place at the right time.
Abka, Defke, Jekyll, Minock, Korstowitz is.
Abka, what? Where did you see that word?
Right over there in the yard.
Oh, in the yard?
Sure.
Over where? Oh, there?
Whoa, that is some kind of word. Whoa.